Good morning, good morning. It's around 5 o'clock in the morning, and today I'm with my bike again after hitting the Saddlesore 1000 to continue my vlog series of exploring Bengal. Good morning. That's the way for the Nivedita bridge. Yeah, I'm off to Vivekananda bridge because bikes are not allowed there. I'll take a roundabout and I'll take the third exit. This is the first, that's the second in the front, Alam Bazaar. Whole night of paddle hopping. And this is the roundabout. Oh, so many bikers are there. I think they're going for a big trip. So I'm at Jamberia and I called Soumik. He's just starting from his home. It's around 2 kilometers. I just wanted to share with you one thing. The chain with which I am riding and the sprockets front and the back. The full chain assembly ran about 39,314. I think you can see here. 39,315 now. So I am going to make it around 40, so I am not just pulling. Brakes are still not changed, brakes are intact, chain is intact. In last accident I had an accident, I couldn't show you. This frame slider has gone off a little bit. Azad Hinda Dhaba. So we'll have some tea and then we'll leave. Soumik চা খাবি তো? শুধু চা, নো সিগারেট। এটা তোমার কিন্তু ব্লগিং চলছে। সিগারেট খেলে তুমি সেটা বলতে পারবে না। তোমার ঢপ মারতেই হবে। If you come to Azad Hinda Dhaba, this is the place you can chill out. खुली आसमान के नीचे बना है, टेबल वगैरह बना दिया। ये सब नया टाइप का हट्स बनाया। हे का हट्स। That's Soumik out there. তুই জ্যাকেট কি জীবনে তুই কিনবি না জ্যাকেট? তোকে গিফট করবো একটা। যে অ্যাক্সিডেন্টাল হয়েছে তো জ্যাকেটের জন্য তোর সেই তো বেঁচেছে। আর এটা সুজুকির হেলমেট, ওকে হেলমেট গিফট করছি আমি এটা। Almost 7 o'clock we are at Azad Hinda Dhaba having coffee and Soumik has ordered for breakfast and ghugni. তোরও তাই same? লুচি? আচ্ছা। I'm getting a bit healthy now. Having coffee. কোথায় যাচ্ছ? হ্যাঁ? ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। सोमी एकदम बंगाली जैसे बाइकर बन गया, जूता फूता पहन के साइड बैग लेके। अच्छा ये गया 390 था। There he is, Soumik, doing in a nice way. मेरा चेन भाई इतना लूज है ना, इतना डर लग रहा है 100 पे जाने के लिए। कभी कभी लीड नहीं करके खुद पीछे रहो, लेकिन तो दूसरों को थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करो आगे जाने के लिए। Soumik is really cruising at a nice speed around 110. Really great man. So if you go down, see a bridge there, you go down and go left. This one will take you up to straight one. That's Nagpur, Mumbai. This is called the Mumbai road. You see you there while having breakfast. So this is Soumik's wife. Swatla bike ঢুকি দি। ওদিকে রাখবো? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা শক্ত আছে মাটি। Freshen up. We are at Soumik's in-laws place. Soumik is busy doing his father's job. You want to see?
দেখো কি হচ্ছে।
Around 9:20 a.m. in the morning and we have just left Soumik's in-laws place and we are on our way to NA6. That's Soumik in front of me. I left my bike because I'm not that much well. I'll tell you why. We'll directly go there and we'll talk about that. Kakrajhor is the Bengal Jharkhand border here in the south. I remember during Ranchi, both in car and then this thing, bike, I came to this way. That's so nice about the street lights. It's very nice at night. We're just cruising around 85 to 90 kilometers per hour. And सोमिक का जैकेट तो है नहीं, लेकिन गाड़ी अच्छा चला लेता है वो। मैं आज तो पिलियन हूँ। राइडिंग तो कुछ नहीं, ऐसे 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 करूँगा और बोलूँगा कि मैं बहुत राइडिंग कैसे होता है। झाड़ग्राम में আমার ফার্স্ট রাইড ছিল আমার বাইক নিয়ে। হ্যাঁ, একটা বিয়ে বাড়ি ছিল বুঝলি, স্ট্রিট চল এর মধ্যে। We have just taken the right turn for Jhargram, and this is the entry gate of Jhargram tourism, and this is a good route map. I'll give you a nice click just right. Jhargram is around 14 kilometers. What are the things you can visit? Kanak Durga temple, Savitri temple, Jhargram Raj palace, mini zoo, everything. That's Belpagari is around 23 kilometers from here. Gopi Vallabh 28 kilometers. So I'll think what we can do. Belpagari, Gandashini Hill, Khandarini Lake we can visit. It's around 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Ghagra is around 5 kilometers from Belpagari. It's around 23 kilometers. Just stopped here for some water. We got. Actually, I am not well. I have fever and still I have the chest press. I got a fracture in my rib. Anyways, we are on our way. So we just entered Shalboni and see on the both sides the woods are there. Wood means forest, I meant, not that one. You can call it Jungle Mahal. Shalboni it is, and Jhargram is around roughly about 5 to 4 kilometers. But this time I'm seeing the full road is gone, man. Soumik is having a tough time out there at the back. So all the villagers are going for the fishing or gathering water from the well. It seems that the road was good, but not now. Anyways, we're not stopping at Jhargram. We're directly going to Ghagra Waterfalls or Ghagra. Let's see. Let's go there and talk. If anything is nice on the road, I'll just come back to show you. Let's update from here now. Timber Depot, Jhargram Timber Depot. So this is Jhargram, and this is Jhargram traffic. Belpagari is around 43 kilometers from here. Ghagra Waterfalls is around 43 kilometers. Two roads are given, one through the forest and one through the normal city. So we're planning to go through the forest. We have to turn left. I'll give you an update there while I reach. লোকে পুরো ঘুমিয়ে যায় এখানে, হ্যাঁ হেলতে হেলতে যাবে। আচ্ছা, বাই দ্য ওয়ে, শুভ ষষ্ঠী, ষষ্ঠী টুডে, দুর্গা পুজো। So this is the point. If you're coming from Jhargram, ways are there. One is straight through the city and one is through the left. So we're taking the left. This is Gohi Judi. We'll get a forest there. Let's go and talk about that forest. I'll just take you to that way. This is Lalgod is on the right side. Acha, okay, Lalgod. So this is on the market area, so it's so busy, but still. We have just crossed the KHUSBANI forest and we have stopped here near the Kashbon because it's Durga Puja right now. And you have seen what this place is famous for, only one thing, and that's called the red soil or the Lal Mati. For this place is really very famous. Lal Mati jungle, a Lal Mati dish. Oh, this is really looking nice. That jigsaw is really looking nice. Soumik, bike type in the mahatok lagche. You know that who is with me, Dr. Soumik. And Dr. Soumik, I want to introduce that he knows me from the day I used to ride cycle, not bike also. Then I got my scooter. Dr. Soumik, I met him in Bangalore when I was doing my masters and he was doing his bachelor degree in dental. So really nice meeting with him. And I was second ride. Yeah, I was second ride. First was the Mushadal. The link is coming there.
Near to my home place.
That's only 100 kilometers from Kolkata. Long ride. Jhargram. First time.
First time.
That's why I got only one bike. Not because of that only. I am also not well. Just see my voice. It's all gone. So this is the last 1 kilometer. Ghagra Waterfall. I still don't know where we are going. কোন দিক দিয়ে রে? ওদিক দিয়ে? না না না, শিওর। ক্যামেরা হ্যালো করে দে, হ্যালো কর, এরকম কর। ঘাগরা যাবে এরা, সামনে মনে হয় তো ক্যামেরা আছে। Oh, from 200 meters. We took that wrong way. It's written here, Ghagra. তারা ফেনি আবার কি? এই রাস্তাটা ভালো। এটা ভালো রাস্তা। You can take this hotel Umul Inn. আচ্ছা, Umul Inn. হ্যাঁ, হোটেল হচ্ছে। ও আচ্ছা, ওইটা ওয়াটারফল। এ দেখ, এইসব জায়গায় ডাউনে এলে না ব্রেক দিবি না, বুঝলি? এ দেখ, ফার্স্ট গিয়ার দিয়ে দে। এই দাঁড়িয়ে পর। এইটুকু আসতে অবস্থা খারাপ। হ্যাঁ, তোমার নাকি কাকড়া জীবন নাকি? হ্যাঁ, যাবি না নাকি শুধু এইটা এত দূরে এসে? কিছু নেই, মানে এই গ্রামের ভেতর ভালো রাস্তাটা এরকম। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। It's originally named as Ghagra. Ghagra means, you know what? Kolchi. It's like a kolchi. At the time of the monsoon, due to the, I don't know why, the water is not there right now. Anyways, you can't predict, right? You can't predict. But from tomorrow onwards, it's going to rain heavily. Oh wow. কলসির মতন না? হ্যাঁ, নট ঘাগরা। এটা মানে তো শুধু গাগরা ছিল, এখন এটা ঘাগরা। ইসাওয়াস অ্যাকুরিয়াম টাইপের। মাছও আছে, মানে যখন ফুল। See the amount of water locked in this type of kolchis or caves. For this reason it is named as Ghagra. ও যেতে পারবো ওখানে?
টার্জান লাগছে একদম। Sivalik is sleeping. Hey Sivalik, wake up. We have to go Kakrajhor.
দাঁড়ানা যাচ্ছি।
Yes, Kakrajhor. We have to go. Nothing is there, but natural beauty is there. If it will be break na, then we have to pay the whole things.
घाघरा वाटरफॉल्स यहीं तक था। नाउ वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर काकराझोर। कुछ स्पॉट तो है नहीं वहाँ पे, बट नाइस प्लेस थ्रू द विलेज एंड वी कैन हैव लंच देयर। लेट्स सी, आई एम नॉट हंग्री। जस्ट अंडर द बनियन ट्री। We are on our way to Khandarini Lake. Khandarini Lake. এই তো খান্ডারনি ডান দিকে হাফ কিলোমিটার এই ডান দিকে হাফ কিলোমিটার এই তো কি হয়েছে রে ডান দিক বাড়ি কি হয়েছে তোর This is the Khandarini Lake. We were moving from Belpagari to Kakrajhor to the main road, not to the shortcut. And we have just found that Khandarini Lake was on the left. 2-3 bikers were coming out, so we thought to visit. And it's really nice. I think it's a dam type thing because here you can see it's looking like a dam. Information I'll just give you now. Really very nice place. This place is not hyped only, that we don't know only. You should visit. So this is the Khandarini Lake.
This Khandarini Lake is actually a dam which was created by Vindapur Zilla Parishad in 1996 to harvest water during the monsoon and to supply for the irrigation.
It's too hot out here, but now we are having tea at this tea shop at Khandarini Lake.
You can't enjoy any boating or other water activity here, but you can really enjoy the nature, and mostly during the winters when you can enjoy the migratory birds.
You can stay at this resort, at Shalwari Resort. It's at Belpagari. There is no place to stay here. You can note down this number, or you can get from the net. In the evening, if you come during the sunset, this is really a nice place. So leaving Khandarini Lake and we are moving towards Kakrajhor.
Now the place which we are moving right now is Kakrajhor. Not much information was available in the net, but too many homestays were there. This is a small forest in the midst of the Chotanagpur plateau. Jhargram was too close from here, Bakura was too close from here, and the road to Kakrajhor was really good. In one word, it's a trekker's paradise, and the most important attraction was Gandarchinihiri and Mayuri Lake, which we'll be going to miss here. Kakrajhor. It's really a forest place, and we have come to a place where, see, we have seen the pujas of Kolkata. You have not seen the pujas of Kakrajhor. Very nice. Offbeat place, many homestays are there. You can have a stay. It's a very quiet place. So just like that, I'll show you some homestays here. There is one Dhitang homestay. You have to go straight in this way, and one more is Kakrajhor guest house. Sarkari Othitishala is around 50 kilometers on this way, and the rest are all CRPF camp is there. We're planning to have some tea, coffee in that small shop and leave because almost 3 places in one vlog. That's more than enough, and we'll just chill out and then we'll. Soumik is having piyaji, right? I have ordered for one, and this is the plate. See, so nice. Shal pata naki eta? Shal pata. Arekta dao. If you come here and that day if you go, then you will miss the special attractions of Kakrajhor. We were going that day, but I must advise you to stay at least for one day, go for a local trek and enjoy the beauty of nature.
So we are going back. We have again taken a wrong route. We are not following the real way. 7 kilometers are saved. 93 kilometers to Kharagpur. And see, Kakrajhor is a place very close to Jharkhand, and it's very close to Bakura. Jhilimili is only 5 kilometers from here. Really a nice place. I think if you have not seen, I button में link आ रहा होगा. You can see that I had a nice time with Shomik, nice breakfast, nice ride, everything we did, and now we are going back. I hope you like the vlog. If you have liked the vlog, just click the like button. It will help me to increase it, to grow, to show you more videos in the future. So that's here from Kakrajhor. So we again reached the Jhargram town. It's almost the end of the vlog, but I just wanted to mention you too many things are there in Jhargram district. In Jhargram town only too many things are there. All the historical places are there. So in the next vlog I'll try to cover Jhargram city and whichever the leftover things are there. 2-3 vlogs will take to complete the whole Jhargram district. See you. Bye bye Jhargram. See you next time.